See the mariposa comes back right here because it looks like they're gonna flip a bitch for no fucking reason. Nothing new. Go ahead, headlight out. Let's see if they get his ass. Called that shit, Joe. Here they come right now. The fucking fishing ass motherfuckers. Here they come. From the bottom of Spring Hill all the way back up to the top. They're trying to gain on me. They're probably speeding right now. They're legal as fuck. Whatever. They won't get in trouble for it. Yeah, he's coming up flying on my ass. We're not playing this game tonight. Oh, we're gonna pull right the fuck over. For what? Here they go. They pull us over for no reason. Here we go. Ooh. Come the fuck on. Today.
Hello.
What do you want?
The sheriff's office. The reason I stopped you is the way you came around that corner, man. Down there, just past the fairgrounds, you were over the white line. You were coming around there so fast.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't.
Where
No.
you headed?
Going to my house.
Where you live, man?
On Allred.
Where at on all that?
At the end of Allred, right up here.
Good.
Expired November at 22 on the 97 East on Mariposa, Joseph Thomas.
You got your ID and stuff on you, bud?
Yeah.
Okay. You got paperwork for the vehicle, too?
Yeah.
You got weed in the car? You smoked weed earlier or something?
No, I have a joint in my pocket.
You what?
I have a joint in my pocket.
Oh, okay.
I think that's for this month. Or this year, I mean.
I can't.
Said I'm just trying to read this if it's for this year or not. But I don't think it is.
It's expired. That's your most current one, but your registration's expired by a couple months.
Okay, for sure.
You got insurance?
Yeah, yeah.
Your gas gauge right?
Yeah, it is. We're idling waiting for gas right now.
What's that?
Said, yeah, we're idling wasting gas right now. Oh, here it is.
Where you coming from, man?
Our girl's house.
Control one there, 22, 27.
Good.
LDL Edward 2322074. Yeah, your registration on this thing expired back in November.
I know, they just told me that when I went and got my license the other day, so I was like, I have to renew it, but I haven't got paid yet.
I get you. How much is it for this little thing?
$240. It's not bad. I just been waiting for my boss to come
for an
through.
older truck.
That's what I feel like too. Yeah, because last year was only $123.
They go up or what?
I don't know. I think everything went up this year. Yeah.
Well, you being a few months late, they're gonna charge you that late.
Yeah. I knew that much. Yeah, yeah. But I figured I'd much rather have a license right away first, because that's what I had to go deal with right now. Is getting a license. I went and redid that, and that's when they told me that registration was out.
Yeah. All you got on you is the joint?
Yeah. You want to see it?
Sure.
22 control 27.
Good.
Joseph Thomas, Mariposa, Valley.
10-4. So you can't roll around with weed. I mean, you got it in like a little container, right?
Mhm.
But rolling around with like a pre-rolled joint in your pocket, you kind of run into issues with the open container kind of stuff.
I just figured as long as it wasn't smoked, right?
Even if you got like a joint, I mean, you got it in like a container, right? So it's a little better off. But if you have one in your pocket like that without the container or anything, someone's gonna get you for open container. Okay?
For sure. What do we do if it's like our personal smoke then? If you didn't buy it from the dispensary?
If what?
If you didn't buy it from the dispensary, if it's your personal smoke, what do you do then?
Smoke it at your house. I mean,
Okay.
technically you can't carry it like that in a car. In order to carry it in a car, it's supposed to be in a sealed container and everything else, right?
For sure.
So
I didn't know that. No, I didn't know that. I thought you just had
you
to.
can't transport more than an ounce.
Yeah, okay, I knew that much. Yeah.
Yeah. So look into the open container laws. There's two different ones. You got health and safety code and you got vehicle code.
Yeah, I'll look into them.
on that.
Because I was wondering, like, yeah, if I went to stay at my girlfriend's house, how would I be able to smoke then? And yeah, bring it with me then.
Yeah, I mean, you gotta have like a sealed container, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
So if you got some kind of container you can seal it in,
I do. I have
and
one. Yeah.
don't carry it on your person, you're a little bit better off.
Alrighty, cool.
Carrying it on your person, you're gonna run into issues. Okay.
Sounds good.
Here's your stuff, man.
Alright.
Drive safe.
Alright.
All right.
Fuck the police.